All right, let's handle these WAEC questions on the board. Like I said, this is season where we'll be treating WAEC questions because the exam is fast approaching. Now we have this triangle given to us. When we're asked to look for the value for A, B, and C, meaning that we have to look for find A, B, and C at this point. Now, in every topics, like I always tell you, there are laws guiding the topics. There are laws guiding the topics when you are solving problems. It's all about you understanding where the question is coming from so that you also know if there's a law guiding it. Now, we have here from year to year as what? 348 degrees. From here to is 348. So we're asked to look for this small angle at this point here to make it a complete circle. Okay, let me make it here. Let me cover it here. To make it a complete circle at this point. So here will be 348. What do you think here will be to make it a complete circle? I will now say that at this point here will be what? 360. Angle at the circumference. Angle at the circumference. What do you mean by circumference? That is from here starting, for instance, this is a circle starting from here and returning back to this place, making it a complete circle is what 360 degrees. Here from here to here is 348. Then it means that there's a space here. This is not a complete circle yet. So now what do? You now remove 348 from 360. What do you think here will be now? Here will be what? 12 degrees. Yes. And if here is 12, here will also be what? 12 degrees. For those of you who have been following my teaching. Now, why do we have here to be 12 degrees as well? Whenever you see a line like this, here and here, this is telling us that this is an isosceles triangle. Yes, it's an isosceles triangle. How do we get to know? If here is one line, here is one, it means that the base angle will be equal. If here is two lines, here is two, it means it's an isosceles triangle. The base angles are what? Equal. That's one of the laws of an isosceles triangle, or one of the properties of an isosceles triangle. That the base angles are always what? Equal. The base angles must be the same. So having known here to be 12 degrees, here will also be what? 12 degrees. Now you can see that I've gotten my C at this point here is equals to what? 12 degrees. B at this point is equals to what? 12 degrees. I have to look for my A. What do I say A is now? A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. What's the reason? Sum of angles in a triangle. Yes. Now I will now have it together. A is what we are asked to look for now. I will now have A plus what is B? 12 degrees. What is my C here? 12 degrees equals to what? 180 degrees. Therefore, A degrees plus 12 is what? 24 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Now, what am I asked to look for? What am I looking for now at this very point? I'm looking for A. I will make A subject of formula.